Mary from missiontosave.com, and it is time again for another Nadine West unbagging. So let's take a look at what's inside my clothing subscription bag for this month. So Nadine West is a clothing subscription company that I like to call an affordable Stitch Fix alternative, and I get my bags once a month. You can get them every 4 weeks or every 2 weeks. I think the 4 weeks option is just right. And you're going to get a combination of accessories, shirts, pants, and dresses inside your bag. So let's see what is in my pink bag this month. I'm actually wearing a shirt and necklace that are Nadine West pieces. I find that a lot of the items I get are great staple items for in my wardrobe and have fun little details on them. First up is a pair of earrings. Typically I have gotten mixed metal like silver and gold. This is just a pair of gold ones. I have loved every pair of earrings I have gotten from Nadine West. Let me see if I can show you just some silver circles here. Actually, I think these are great because they're just simple. And they're not too big, so I love that. I've been very happy with all of the Nadine West jewelry that I have gotten. So let me just put these on. And then I think the rest of my bag is clothing. All right, so sometimes you'll get a necklace and earrings. It's a surprise. That's what I love about Nadine West. Okay, so there they are. Oh, those are nice, nice, simple little rings. Next, what we have is, these look like a pair of jeggings, really more like a leggings material, but that has sort of a denim look to them. They have some cute little details on them and pockets on the back, so I like it that they look like jeans because I'm not really a leggings person. So although Nadine West is kind of making me a leggings gal because they have sent me some really comfy ones. So I do think these look comfortable, and we'll just have to see what the length is. I am 5'2", so sometimes the length on these is a little long for me, but that's okay. It's in style to roll them up, right? So that's my first pair of pants. And next we have, ooh, I like this. So the other thing that you'll notice, like I said, lots of fun details on the shirts that come from Nadine West. This has like a lace top on it. I love this because it's just nice gray. This is gonna go with so many things. This brand, they send me a lot from this brand, Zena Signature, and it's very soft. I love the material in this. It has a little bit of a stretch to it. So I definitely think this one is going to be a keeper. So just like most clothing subscription companies, you only keep what you love. So if you don't like an item, you can send it back. You just keep your pink bag and you send it right back in there, and you only pay for what you keep. I have another pair of leggings. So these are black, and these, I think they feel fleece lined. Yes, okay? So in the winter, I'm thinking these are gonna be super nice, okay, to wear under a dress or under like a tunic or something like that. It looks like this is sort of one of those wide, you know, like you fold down the waist, but just a black pair of fleece lined leggings. They're super comfortable. I actually have a pair of fleece lined leggings that like are almost see-through. So they're not really great quality. This does not look like it's going to be see-through at all, okay? So do like those black leggings. And we have another, it looks like probably a long sleeve shirt. This is by Heart and Hips. Okay, so I've gotten a lot of cold shoulder shirts from Nadine West, but this is a little different. It's a little strappy on the side, and it looks like it has a little dolman sleeve to it. It's sort of a heathered wine color, so I do love the colors that they send. And again, this is really soft. It's not quite a sweater, sort of in between a sweater and a t-shirt material. So I think I'm going to like that also for just like a staple wardrobe piece. And so I have 2 shirts, 2 pants, and the earrings, so 5 pieces so far. And the 6th piece is a dress. Now, I have had some trouble with the Nadine West dresses just because of my height and my build and all of that kind of thing. So I'm not sure. Oh, this looks nice. Okay, so this one it has this nice gathered waist on it. It has pockets, like a 3/4 sleeve, not even quite 3/4 sleeve. So I'm super, super hopeful about this one. And with Valentine's Day coming up, this red is fabulous, okay? So feeling very hopeful about this one. So why don't I go try these on and you can see what you think. So, what items would you keep from my pink bag this time? I am super excited that finally I think I have just about the perfect fit on this dress. So I am definitely loving this dress and will be keeping it. The length is still just a smidge long for me, but like I said, I'm a shorty, so I'm used to that. But the comfort of this dress is amazing. I love it. I love the color, and the fit is really great as far as how it fits up top and where it hits the pockets and all of that. So definitely keeping the dress this time. The only item that I'm not quite sure about are these sort of legging jeggings. I feel like maybe for me, they're a little young. I'm 40 something years old, and so I feel like these are a little young for me. They do fit well, a little big in the waist, but they are comfortable. So I'll have to see how much they are, and if they're inexpensive, I'll keep them, but I think maybe these will be going back. I do love the fleece lined leggings. So super comfortable, very heavyweight. So I will definitely be keeping these. And I love the two shirts too. Okay, so another really great bag from Nadine West. I think this gray shirt is actually going to be one of my favorite pieces that they've sent me because it's so versatile. I can wear it under like that red sweatshirt or red sweater they gave me last month. I can wear it, you know, in the springtime just by itself with this fun lace detail, and it's so comfortable. So love the gray shirt. And I have a similar shirt that they sent me before to this one, but I actually think I like this one a little better because of it being more fitted and not a tunic. So I'm liking that as well. So pretty much everything's a winner again. Oh, don't forget the earrings. They go with everything, so definitely keeping those. All right, so pretty much another winning bag from Nadine West. Don't forget, if you have not joined Nadine West yet, you can get a $10 credit off of your first purchase if you use my referral link. And that $10 goes towards your shipping. So the only thing you pay up front for Nadine West is the $9.95 shipping. And that money will go towards a credit to whatever you buy for your bag anyways. So look at it like this. You have nothing to lose if you haven't tried before. Use the $10 credit to cover your shipping. And if you don't like anything, you can send it all back. But I have a feeling you may find some new favorites in your Nadine West bag this month, all right? So let me know if you have any questions and let me know what your favorite items were.